Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what you can see that the crude price is continuously rising. Okay, this is the 2-hour chart what I am showing you that, and if you look at it, you have seen that the price of crude moved in this particular range and from there it is continued. We have seen there is a high volatility we have seen from 18 January to till now. We have seen that the crude price has moved to 87 and then made a low of around 81, and from there again it made a high of around 88.83. See, now look at the chart. If you look at the chart, what you can see, it is moving in a particular zone as of now. Okay, and if you look at the chart, we can see a pattern is forming, a U pattern is forming. So probability will be high once this range breaks, and the range high is around 88.51. okay, the high is around 88.79. okay, so what we can see, there is a 2 green candle forming at this particular range. So if this sustain a level of 87.48, we can see it can go further high. Before that, if you have any doubt regarding crude, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in crude is working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. So now if you look at the chart, see, look at the chart. By looking at the chart, we can see that this is the particular range where we have seen the crude is moving since 26th of Jan. See, now what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, okay, now trading at around 27.24. so if the price sustain this level, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 87.47, and if it goes above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 87.85, and these levels are already tested here, so chances of going towards 88.46 is high. So if it sustain this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 88.84, and from there we can see it can go further high. Okay, because this is the high which we have not seen since 7 years. Okay, so suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, I'll tell you if it goes above this level after once I explain you where all it can go to the downside. See, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see a level of 86.53, and from there we can see it can go to a level of 86.21, and these levels are already tested here. So going towards 86 is high chances of going towards 86, and if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 85.66. okay, and from there if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 84.5 also, and if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can go further low to a level of 83.96. okay, and suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, because if this range breaks downside, we can see it can go fall further to a level of 85.71, and from there we can see a level of 84.56. okay, and if the price didn't sustain this level also, then we can see it can come down to a level of 83.68, and if it goes below this level, then we can see it can come down to a level of 82.97. okay, and once this level breaks downside, then we can see it can come down to a level of 81.98 also. okay, and once this level breaks downside, then this particular range low will be break, and then we can see it can go to a level of 80.33, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 79.40, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see a level of 77.97, and once 77.97 cross downside, then we can see further low. okay, why? And you can check my previous video if the price goes below 77. But suppose if the price sustain this level, then what we can see, it can go further high to a level of 87.69, and from there we can see it can go touch a level of 88.40, and from there we can see it can go to a level of 88.78. once if it goes above 88.78, what we can see, because this level is not come since 7 years, so probability of going towards 90.40 is high. So after touching this level, if it sustain this level for 5-10 minutes, we can see a level of 92.99, and from there we can see it can go further high to a level of 95.95, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 98.91, and from there we can see a level of 100 also, and if the price sustain, it can go further high. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.